Hi, I'm Zoe.
Hi, I'm Anna, and we are both in SIAT in Interactive Arts and Technology, and we did a directed study together in the last semester of fall 2020.
Our project is called the Van Journey 3000, and we started out this piece at the beginning of the pandemic as part of a directed studies course under the guidance of Philippe Pasquier. And our idea stemmed from the lack of social connection between people, where we found that there was a need for wanting to escape from the pandemic day to day life. So, what we came up with was a web based interactive journey that allows them to escape from their current reality and be a part of this sort of experience. So, how our process started, where it consisted of researching ways in the past where people have created these interactive experiences and the mediums that they were presented in. From there, our research for this project was approached through the top down method, where we explored all of our different options for how we could create this connected experience using mediums we found would be the best. The forms we found worked for our piece were creating in a 3D space using facial tracking and filters through the webcam, as well as an interactive keyboard and mouse movements.
Okay, and so some of the challenges that we faced. Initially, we had wanted to go with a different direction for our directed study, where we wanted to have a physical piece that connected to a website, but because of the pandemic and everything that was going on, that wasn't feasible anymore. So we decided to just go everything on web online. So one of our main challenges was figuring out what exactly we wanted to create because we knew our end goal of wanting to help connect people or allow them to experience something more during this difficult time. So that was definitely something that we struggled with, was figuring out how exactly we wanted to tackle that and how to create it. So with time, we figured out that we wanted to go more through webcams and having that visual representation of oneself. And with that, there was also some challenges of understanding what would be the best way in order to create this and like what language to use and how to create the different effects and what would be the best option so that anyone could be able to use it and it wouldn't be too slow on their computer. So there was also some issues with it not working on all platforms. So unfortunately for Google Chrome on Macs, because of the requirements, it still is not fully functioning there. Um, but overall, if we were to go back, that was definitely something that we would fix or work on, but just with the time constraint that we have, it wasn't a top priority. So making it compatible for all different browsers and also making it more responsive on mobile would definitely be something that we would like to do if we had the chance to work on it again. So with the whole process that we had, I think that we're both pretty happy with the outcome and creating an experience that would be engaging and allow people to use many of their senses, such as sight, touch, hearing, and it was definitely a very interesting process to go through and really trying to understand what we could do and what was the best way to create that. Yeah, and now we will show you guys our project.
Hi, and welcome to the Van Journey 3000. We can all agree this year has been a ride. We all deserve a little break, so why not join us on a trip that's out of this world with the Van Journey 3000? So once you're ready, click on the start button to begin. Here we have a 3D space in which you can navigate with your mouse, and you can explore and see the different vans that there are. Once you've explored the space, you can click on the button to start. For the next page, as you can see, there is a video playing in the background and there is a van that once you press on the upward keyboard key, you will see the van move in a randomized direction every time, and then it will take you to the next page. So for the next page, as you can see, there is a maze that you can navigate using your eyes. With the webcam feature, we are tracking your eyes that will display on the screen, and you can navigate through the maze with that. So for the next page, you will see yourself in the back of the bus. The camera your webcam is being displayed, and you can also change the effects that are being added onto you by clicking any letter on your keyboard, and you can also save the image to your computer. Now the next page, we have the option to explore the maze and get through the spaceships. So using your mouse, you're going to want to navigate your van and try not to hit any of the spaceships. If not, you will create some noise. And now the next page, using your voice, you're going to want to get the van across the screen, so speak as loud as you can. Wonderful, and now we're on the final journey of our trip. So you can take a picture of yourself, change the background effect, and save it to your computer for a lasting reminder. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. If you would like to learn more, check out our credits, where you can find some information about both me and Zoe and our GitHub, as well as our references. Thank you.